In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you compose an email inside of Gmail. Whether you're trying to send a mail using Gmail for work, school, or even for personal use, let me show you the quick guide or the steps that you need to follow. Make sure you're inside of Gmail, whether you're using the mobile app or if you're using a desktop, you can just open up the Google Chrome web browser and then click on the Gmail option on the top. Once you land on its platform, you can see a button called Compose on the top left of the screen. This small window will open up on the right hand side. Now the first thing here what you need to do is add in your recipient. In the to section, you can add in the email or the person that you're trying to send the email to. So just add in the correct email so that the mail is delivered successfully. Now once you add in the to section, there are two other sections such as the CC and the BCC. If you want to copy someone else, you can use the CC section and add in the email, and if you want a hidden copy, make sure you select the BCC option. Now once you add in the person that you're trying to send to, you'll need to add in a clear subject. So in the subject section, make sure you exactly address what this email is for. Once you add in your subject as well, you can now add in your message. This is the whole section where you can type in the message. If you're writing it for professional use, if you're using it for professional use, make sure your email gives a professional vibe. So this is an example of a mail that you can write as well, and this is a structure that you can follow. You can also add in attachments. If you click on the attachments button, you can, if you want to send any files, you can also do it as well. Once everything is done, you can just hit the send button. You can also schedule it by clicking on the schedule send option. This way you'll have the option of selecting the date and the time as well. So this is exactly how you compose an email inside of Gmail. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.